An invasion.
No, it's not. It's God's grace, His blessing.
At 34.
That have nothing to do with the age.
Ah, yes.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, night. It's a brand new day here. It's the weekend and the sun is out, but that hot heat that we've been feeling over the summer is no longer around, I must say. I woke up this morning with the entire fam bam busy in the house. When I say everybody has been helping around here all morning, everybody's been on their P's and Q's, from Tyler to Sarah to Papa to Mama. Can you say good morning?
Wagwan. I'm going for my
He's so proud of himself, he wants to share with you guys what he's been up to. Come, tell them.
So this morning, the first thing to do, I was choosing to do some easy things.
What you call easy things?
Like just pack up the room.
Okay.
And after I started by my draw, I already finished 2 draw. The
What
draw
did you do in the draw?
and my
You soon eat, okay?
summer pajama.
You want to put on clothes?
My summer pajama.
Say hello to Faves. Hold on tight. Say hi, Faves.
Quack quack.
You soon get food, okay?
Okay.
You can continue.
Is that I
You're
finished
telling them
2
that you
draw.
fold your draw.
I finished 2 draw already.
When he say he finishes draw, I mean he fold his clothes properly and pack up what to wash.
And for the socks, take out, arrange what don't have no match. And also the 2 draw I finished is the one with my underwear and socks, and the second one is the one with summer pajamas.
Very good. And he fold by himself and he pack up by himself. I didn't even plan on doing his drawers today, but he came to me and he said, Mama, my drawers are a mess. And I started folding them. So I was so proud of him when I went in there. He folded and he packed neatly, because I woke up this morning and because I couldn't go back to sleep, I said, you know what, my mission this weekend was to sort out their school clothes, iron everything and get things situated. So I woke up this morning and I couldn't go back to sleep, and I started in Sarah's room. I arranged all Sarah's school tops and all her shorts and her leggings for school, and I ironed everything, and then I went straight to Tyler's and start Tyler's. So I guess that's where Tyler got inspiration from, by doing his draw, because he saw me doing his closet. So I did all Tyler's shirts and his shorts and his pants and iron everything this morning, while Babe was folding clothes and helping to hang stuff, and Tyler fold his stuff. So mission accomplished by getting all that done this morning. And now we're about to have
Barbecue!
lunch. So I'm going to make fries and salad and barbecue for everybody. So that's what we're up to today. So hopefully
Mama, can I cook also, but
okay.
for barbecue?
So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. I have no idea what we'll be doing for the rest of the day.
Excuse me, Mama. But we, Papa?
Papa calling it. I have no idea what I'll be doing for the rest of what we'll be doing for the rest of the day, but whatever it is that we'll be doing, I'll be happy to take you guys along. So stick and stay, subscribe if you're new to Fam Bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. So see you guys in a bit. So this is how we're starting off the day today, with barbecue. That's what I would feel for. Chicken, as usual. 2 different type of sausages. The kids love this one. I love this one. Then we got pork. Then we got salad, and I'm going to make some fries to go with all of that. I'm turning over my food. You guys, my kids feeding me. My kids feeding me. This is my lunch.
Your egg.
This is my egg.
You don't see the yellow in the middle?
Okay, so come tell Fibs what you bring me to eat.
I bring her barbecue.
What is this?
Cheesy fries.
What is this? So how you bring my chicken in your hand? Okay, what is this?
The cheesy fries.
Cheesy fries. So this is the cheese and this is the fries. Sarah, what is this? What you carry for Mama? What is it? What is this?
Chicken.
Sarah
But
carry
Mama,
chicken, yes?
to make you even more happy, it's not any type of chicken. It's jerk.
Jerk chicken.
Mama,
Yes?
it's hot.
It's hot.
Ooh,
Oh,
Sarah.
come here. And they
And
give me orange juice. And what is in here?
salad.
So what is the salad made of?
This is one tomato.
Okay.
This is some cheese.
This is a cheese. Pay attention closely. This is tomato. And
This is bread.
this is
And
bread.
this blackberry.
Blackberry. And what is this?
The knife.
The knife to cut.
Yes.
And this is what? Scrambled egg or fried egg?
Fry.
Fried egg.
And this is
Now
to
whole
eat
menu,
with.
you know?
And this.
And this I'm to use to eat?
Yes.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the fries first. I want to taste the jerk chicken, but I want the leg. Now I need a piece of baguette. A piece of bread. Now I need like a juice to wash it down, man. It's hot. Pepper. That was good. I'm full. I'm full. I'm full, Sarah. It's yummy. You taste it? You want to drink some of the juice? You want egg? Come, eat egg. She's there. What I'm getting for dessert? Cupcake. What kind of cupcake are these?
Is something
Oh, look at this lady gone with all my cupcakes. Oh. Good job. Thank you, waiter and waitress. Let Mama take them up for you. Leave Chase until you come back. Go to Tai Tai. Tai Tai them from her. Chicken look good though. The chicken looks yum. Hear them around here, pretend playing. Hear them.
Where's Mommy Sky? Where's Mommy Sky? Mommy Sky! Mommy Sky!
What are you two doing?
We're playing.
You guys, I am in the kitchen. You guys think I'm always in the kitchen, don't it? There'll come a day when I won't have time to cook, maybe once per week. So these kitchen moments, let me enjoy them. And there'll come a time in this life when I'll have to cook once per week or 2 times per week and fridge food and freeze food, because life will get busy at some point when I don't got no time to do all this. So I am making dinner for the family. Not much, because we have protein remain from lunch. So I am just adding some veggies. So I'm adding green beans and mushrooms. Mama is cooking.
Mama?
Yes?
Can we mix?
You want to mix? What a little girl love kitchen. You want to mix? Hold a spoon. Mix. You're mixing? Say, I am mixing. What is this?
Onion.
Very good. And what is this?
Pepper.
Sweet pepper.
Sweet pepper.
Okay, good job. Okay, all done. Good job. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Cousin video call is happening right now.
Yes, we are one. Auntie Anuka. Hi, Tyler. Where is Uncle Conrad? You want Uncle Conrad? Yes. Uncle Conrad! I'm fine.
Come no man. Like your hair is popping. Your gray hair is popping too?
No.
You got no
I
gray
have
hair.
one here that is just shining, that's it.
Well, it's not here today. I guess
It's
on the-
always there, it's around here whenever I'm looking in the mirror, I see
Oh,
it
it's at
bright.
the front right
Yeah,
here.
it's always bright.
Yeah. I have many.
Yeah.
A lot.
It's an invasion.
No, it's not. It's God's grace, His blessing.
At 34.
That have nothing to do with the age.
Oh, yes. Yes.
You
You
try-
can be young
you try-
and have some,
Exactly.
but most of the times gray hair come with the age.
So
So
you're
don't tell
telling
me
me-
otherwise.
You're telling me that, honey, go easy, you're getting old. That's what you're trying to tell me?
Yes, going with the age. It's not to everybody like it come at 50 or 60 or 70, but it's still coming with the age. When you were young, you didn't have none, so now you have some. Whenever you see old people, most of the time they're starting to be gray hair.
Okay, I accept.
I don't say it's
I accept
bad.
that I'm getting
Some
old.
people, it's cute, like me.
My mom gray hair is so cute, so pretty. It blends in
Do you think
so
yours
well.
is pretty and cute?
Of course.
Okay.
I don't care what you or nobody else think. I know what I think. You guys, you know, I want to lock my hair. If I know how to lock, I would lock my hair. But then I love change my hair up so much, I don't think I should. I'll continue braiding it. Look at my edges though. My edges need castor oil. Anyway, we're coming on to end the vlog on that rant and ramble. How was your day, Monsieur Delaveaus?
That was fine. That was fine. That was accomplish what we wanted to and
Definitely.
resting in the same time.
Definitely.
So that's a good Saturday.
I love that I'm cruising into the week for school to open, and I don't have to be hurrying and checking lists and da 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 and doing.
Good.
Everything is done. One last thing left to get done is to put in the final things in Tyler bag. That's it. The things that I bought on a Friday. That's it. Everybody clothes iron. Everybody things ready. House clean and fresh and nice. I'm just cruising into this week. All that I'm gonna do is get my hair done, get my hair braided, and that's it. That's it.
Alright, cool.
I'm looking forward to Thursday. Anyway, you guys, I'll capture as much as that for you guys. I'm so excited. Though it's orientation for Sarah, but I'm still excited. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Of course, the kids are in bed. Catch fun, keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Red beard.
Tomorrow.
Is your beard red?
Yeah, yours white, mine red. It come with age, I told you.
So your redness come with age?